What's up, everyone? Today, I'm counting down my top 5 Mini GT cars of all time. Mini GT has absolutely dominated the 1/64th diecast scene with incredible detail, bold liveries, and releases that push the boundaries of what's possible at this scale. These 5 models represent the best of the best in my collection. Number 5 is the Mini GT Liberty Walk Kenmeri in matte black, and what an absolute stunner this is. The Kenmeri Skyline is already an iconic piece of Japanese automotive history, but when you add Liberty Walk's aggressive wide-body treatment and that sleek matte black finish, you get something truly special. Mini GT absolutely nailed the details on this one. The exposed rivets on those massively flared fenders, the deep dish wheels with that perfect stance, that paint captures light without any gloss, it's perfection in 1/64 scale. The front splitter and rear ducktail spoiler add just the right amount of aggression without going over the top. At number 4, we have something really special, the R34 GTR in digital camouflage purple from Mini GT's 5-year anniversary series. This isn't just another R34. This is Mini GT celebrating half a decade of excellence with one of the most eye-catching releases they've ever done. The digital camo pattern in purple is absolutely wild. It's bold, it's modern, and it transforms Godzilla into something that looks like it drove straight out of a video game. But here's what's impressive. Despite how complex this livery is, every line is sharp, every transition is clean. The pattern wraps around the body seamlessly, and the purple shade they chose has this perfect balance between vibrant and tactical. Breaking into the top 3 is the LB Works R35 GTR in satin silver with the version 2 rear wing, and this is where things get serious. The R35 is already an aggressive-looking machine, but Liberty Walk takes it to another dimension, and Mini GT's execution here is absolutely flawless. That satin silver finish is just perfection. It's got this subtle sheen that catches light beautifully without being flashy. The wide-body fenders with those signature rivets, the aggressive front splitter, and the lowered stance all come together to create pure automotive sculpture. But the star of the show is that massive version 2 rear wing. It's not just big, it's purposeful, it's detailed, and it completely transforms the silhouette of this car. What puts this in my top 3 is the overall presence. When you set this on the shelf, it commands attention. Coming in at number 2 is an absolute beast, the LB Silhouette Works GTR 35 in the Barong livery. If you thought Liberty Walk was extreme, Silhouette Works takes it to a completely different stratosphere. This isn't just a wide body. This is a full race spec transformation that looks like it belongs on a GT3 grid. The Barong livery is absolutely insane. Gold and black design is inspired by traditional Balinese mythology, and seeing it executed flawlessly on a 1/64 scale model is mind-blowing. Every detail of that complex pattern is crisp and precise. But it's not just about the livery. Look at that massive GT wing, the canards, the diffuser, the aggressive aero package. This thing is all business. What makes this my number 2 is the sheer ambition. Mini GT could have played it safe, but instead, they chose one of the most complex, most extreme builds to replicate, and they absolutely crushed it. This is what separates Mini GT from the competition, their willingness to tackle challenging subjects and deliver museum-quality results. And here we are. My number 1 Mini GT of all time, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S Naraya Limited Edition. This is it. This is the pinnacle. When I first saw this casting, I knew immediately it was something extraordinary, and it hasn't left the top spot since. The Naraya livery is a stunning celebration of Thai culture and artistry, featuring intricate traditional patterns in vibrant colors that completely transform the Taycan's sleek electric silhouette. The level of detail Mini GT achieved here is absolutely breathtaking. Every curve of the pattern, every color transition, every element of the design is rendered with precision that seems impossible at this scale. It's not just a diecast car, it's wearable art on wheels. What makes this my absolute number 1 is how it represents everything special about Mini GT, honoring culture, pushing boundaries, celebrating limited edition collaborations, and delivering execution that's beyond reproach. And there you have it, my top 5 Mini GT cars of all time. From the Liberty Walk Kenmeri to the incredible Naraya Taycan, what are your top Mini GT picks? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more diecast content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.